Okay, here's how we're doing on our second kitty cat, the little one. We took the spark plugs out of the starting engine and found that the pull cord was fouled. It was behind the plate here, and we couldn't touch it, couldn't get it out, couldn't do anything with it. So it's got a 2 1/4 nut on the end of that starting engine shaft, and it had a lock plate bent up over it, so we unbent the lock plate. Had to use a burr grinder to take a couple chisel curls out of the nut, but we finally got a 2 1/4 socket on there, and the darn thing turned. It turned so easy, we screwed it a little bit more into it, and we were able to spin it with this here starting cord. Then we engaged the diesel with the starting engine and pulled the starting engine a little bit, and the diesel turned. So we have 2 free engines here. The only issue is, because this thing, all the sheet metal was off of it, and it was all out in the rain for years, that magneto right there is going to be nice and wet. It's probably not going to give us any spark. So we're going to mark this thing number 1, get it up to firing position, because there's no way we can see the timing mark with that great big plate in the way. And I don't want to take all that honkus bonkus off there just to look at a timing mark. So I'm going to fake it with a piece of chalk. I'm just going to run it up till the impulse fires on number 1. I'm going to mark it, and that's what we're going to do. So I think we're going to be able to get some smoke coming out of this thing in a couple of days. I'm going to have to clean the fuel system, of course. It's just as filthy as the other one. But this is going to be fun if we have 2 kitty cats running around this place that have been sitting for 30-some years. So that's the update on the D6 Caterpillar.